Hey, what's up guys? I almost lost my Etsy account because I don't have the Skype phone number anymore. Skype is closed. Okay, however though, I managed to transfer this Skype number to team phone, but this video is more like focusing on how to access your Etsy account. So let's do that. First and foremost, you must have this information. Number one, you must have your last 4 digits of your bank account that you deposit money from Etsy to that bank account. And number 2, you must know how many unpublished listing number in your Etsy account. For example, if you don't have any at all, you can just put 0. And by the way, guys, I have the form written under the video description. You can simply copy and then paste your information and put in there. You can send it to Etsy support. And I also have the link below for the Etsy support as well. Number 3, make sure you have your last 4 digits or your social security numbers or your VAT ID. So those are the requirements from Etsy support. Last but not least, if you want to prevent this from happening in the future, there are 2 things that we can do. First, disable your 2-factor verification. Of course, make sure you have a strong password. You can generate the password by using Google. I have a password generator and generate this super strong password. So it's hard for people to try to hack into your account. However, though, I'm going to show you how to disable that 2-factor verification. And unfortunately, Etsy does not have email verification. They only have phone number. So for those who in the US or in the European and you just stay in one location, no problem because you have your phone number with you all the time. But for a digital nomad like myself, I travel a lot. I used to depend on Skype phone number, but now Skype is closed. I can't do that. However, though, like I mentioned earlier, I managed to transfer those Skype number to team phone. You just pay it per month and then you be able to receive the message from your banks or from Etsy, any like a 2-step verification message. You can receive it with the team phone numbers, okay? However, though, I'm going to share with you more a little bit about that with my next video. This video is all about accessing your Etsy account. Alright, so let's get back to the last thing that we want to do. Here, you can record anything in your Etsy, let's say a screenshot in your Etsy account, like the last 4 digits of your bank account that you use for the Etsy, and then also the number of unpublished listing. Be sure to have a screenshot of those and then save them in a safe place. Or you can just remove all the unpublished listing. You can just have 0 and then send it to Etsy. Okay, there you have it guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful and be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Encoder Fashion. This allows YouTube to share this video to more people who may need this information. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!